today we have a very weird tools for each of the students, and they are trying to make some of the photos by themselves. So just gathering around. Good morning, everybody. So today's our class is all about the principle and theory design. For our class today, we study about the repetition and patterns. What we are going to do is we have a very weird tools for each of the students, and they are trying to make some of the photos by themselves. So just gathering around and walk around together. Over here, you can see they are cutting some mushroom and the lime by themselves. So what are you making for today? The photos, can you show us a little?
And here, like with the patterns, using mushrooms, sponge, and
this one, yeah.
I'm using like many tools to like have this picture that I took here.
I'm making this view with the help of lime and a cleaner and a chocolate wrapper. So I'm trying to make it. It's in the process.
Yeah, I'm just doing like a Christmas tree. Here's I'm gonna finish. Yeah. I use grapes and cotton pad and some
Corn leaves.
yeah.
This is Skyra's and her corner over here. She's gonna have so many things all about the corn experiment. So can you show us the photos? She literally made a sky. You have the tools to help us well, right? The pencil one. And what other tools that you are gonna using? The cleaners, the sponge, and the right? Okay, very interesting. Okay, so over here we're gonna have our boys corners. Chris, can you show us some of your process or what is going on over here?
So the tool that I'm using today are like some kind of chili, and this cotton pads, and some kind of bubble wrapping,
Okay.
like the one I use here. This is some kind of processing. It's not even finished yet. Here are the patterns that I'm gonna using today, using in this kind of artwork. Yeah.
Thank you, Chris. Very nicely. Loki, what have you done today?
I'm trying to make this. Oh, sorry. Yes, here.
So what are you using for your tools?
It's the orange and cotton bag, and then the plastic bag. Trying to make it.
Yeah,
Instant
sure.
noodle. Thank you.
Thank you. So we move on to our last one. PK, sorry.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
this one is take by myself. Me and my mom going trip with dog, and that's take a photo of this. That's my,
It's very nice.
Yeah.
Like movement.
yeah.
Can you show us your tools as well?
With banana, yeah, and the wop, and also eraser. Yeah. Thank you.
So that would be for our overall class for today. So you can see when the final outcome coming up. This is the atmosphere of our class today. Thank you.
Every dream becomes reality at Raffles.